Good morning, everyone. So my name is Lakshay Sharma, and my teammate Vivek. We have built a web application named Test Engine.
Quick Quiz. It is a quiz application.
So Gyanito is built on a MUN full stack using modern UI.
So what this application basically does is, for a particular user, we can upload particular videos and manage those videos accordingly.
So basically this is an event management app I built for my college.
This is the landing page of my project. I used Tailwind and some components of SetCN to make this.
Homepage shows the videos only approved by the admin.
Actually we have used the MVC architecture in which we have used the different technologies.
This is our user dashboard, and here we can see 3 quizzes which we have created in admin.
We also have some features that we have not made them yet, but we wish to make them in the future. One of them would be adding this leaderboard option. So now this leaderboard option, what it would do is we wish to make competition between students so they can get like a global ranking of them. I can here either approve the request. If I approve, the video will automatically send to approved video, and if I reject, it will get removed here from here.
For validation, we have used Zord, and it is in the middleware.
Here we add a speed teacher, which will help us to add a teacher in our database, teacher ID and password.
Now this is the user dashboard where he can attempt multiple quizzes which is created by the teachers.
Which stores the title and an array of questions which has question and the correct answer. Whenever I fetch the data to the front end, the correct option does not go, so that you can't really cheat from the client-side network panel. The correct answer goes to the back end, they get compared over here, and then we get the final.
So this is the admin dashboard. Admin can see events and users here and also add new events. So basically if I click to users, all the users registered in this app available, and admin can see the info about users like events registered and events attended.
Before joining this course, I had no knowledge about web development at all.
Before joining this course, I was browsing on YouTube for courses.
I have learned MUN stack fully. I did not have any prerequisite knowledge before joining this course, but after joining this course, I feel much more confident about it and have developed really valuable skills in it.
Learning experience in this course is really good. Brain Mentors team is really good. So, I enjoyed most is learning about new packages, basically new NPM packages, which I didn't knew earlier.
Also, we have given multiple contests where our score significantly improved.
In the guidance, you can follow correct path. If you take videos like YouTube videos and online lectures, so you will lost the path, how to follow the structure.
Now I am able to confidently work myself and join competitions, and am confident for interviews.
And after learning this course, I am able to make the projects very well with good understanding.
We were given hands-on training on. So basically what we did was, we built small-scale applications using the MUN stack. We were given training on the basics concept, and which quickly accelerated to advanced concepts. And after that, we were given a final project, which we had to implement all the things that we learned during our training.
Online platform that not that much good. I'm not that much consistent in that online platform, so I decide to join an offline class where we can interact with the teacher in a live session.
So you should definitely join this course if you have a passion for technology. Basically, the teachers teach us everything about the technology, like why this technology came, what are the flaws in the previous technology, what are the flaws in this technology.
You should join because the teachers here are good, and the way they teach is really interactive.
Yes, I would absolutely recommend it to others.
I will recommend this to other people.
So yeah, I would highly recommend this particular training because it really helped me develop my skills in web development.
Yes, I would definitely recommend Brain Mentors to others, as it helped me gain valuable skills, and I'm sure that it would also help them too.
I would definitely recommend the training to others. If you are a beginner or a fresher trying to learn MUN stack or web development technology, then this course will definitely be helpful, and it is definitely worth it.
Based on my experience and how well the sir has taught us, I would definitely rate it 9.5 out of 10.
I would rate Brain Mentors out 10 out of 10.
So I would probably give this training a 9 out of 10.
I would rate it 8.5 to 9.
I would rate it 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.